In this video I will show you how can you earn money by just typing some words and clicking on pictures, which is the easiest way to earn money right now. How to do it? Let's see. This is how to earn money online by just typing some words and clicking on pictures. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website, 2captcha.com. Now, allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on this website. Step 2. Confirm the email. Step 3. Log into their website with the account you just created. After log into your account, it will redirect you into dashboard. In dashboard you can have a look on how much money you earned, how many people you have invited, etc. And also you can see how much money they pay for a single work. Okay, now, to start your work, click on Start Work on top left corner. You can choose normal captchas or recaptchas. And click on Start to start your work. Just type whatever is shown in the picture. And click on Send. And that is how you can earn money on their website. You can also use their Windows software or mobile app for more income. To download their Windows software, follow my steps. Remember, their software only works on 64-bit based Windows PC. After downloading, open it up. It will ask for your client key. To get the client key, go to their website and go to Dashboard and try to find something called Solve Captchas. Underneath that you will find your client key. You can either copy it manually or you can click on Copy button and then paste it on the app. And click on Play button to keep working. To withdraw your money, go to Payout. And add your wallet address. Here you can withdraw your money by WebMoney, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Payeer, Airtman and Bitcoin Cash. That's it for today. I hope you guys like it. If you want me to create a video about how you can withdraw your money from here, comment down below. I will try to make it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more contents like this one.